All right, guys, 2021 Dodge Challenger 392 RT Scat Pack Shaker Edition. So she's shaking, shake and bake. Anyways, factory converters there and there. Factory X 3-inch pipes all the way back. Then we put DYNOMAX race bullets there and right there. We'll get your part number in a second. Still got the valves there and there. And then we did our rear delete there and there. And put some quad tips out the back black to complete the look. Right there, right there. You guys can see, still has a temporary tag, so it's a 2022 Challenger RT. Part number on the DYNOMAX bullets, 24215. There'll be a link in the description, 2.5 inch. As you guys can see, there and there. There's the mids, there's the rears that we just cut off right there. You can see my shadow. So, anyways, we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. Ooh, DYNOMAX race bullets. Long ones. That sounds mean. Much better. Wow. Again. 111. Give a guess again. What do you guys think? There's a little bit of a different setup for you. Let us know what you guys think in the comments. I like it. I like it. It's deep and throaty. Let you guys hear on the inside. Dodge Challenger 392 and Shaker Edition, DYNOMAX race bullet, and rear delete with quad tip. Yeah, be smooth. Enjoy, guys.